Music Camp — это комьюнити музыкантов, которые объединены едиными целями, смыслами и одинаковым отношением к музыке.
Ural Music Camp is a one-week educational program for young musicians and professionals working in the music industries.
Ребята собираются вместе, пишут совершенно новую музыку, новые песни, узнают друг друга, и их группа музыкальных менеджеров научается продвигать эти треки. Вот это примерно Ural Music Camp.
Out of that flows a community and a network of participants, coaches, musicians from over Europe and Russia that actually through this network stay in contact with each other and help each other grow and achieve their goals.
The obstacles this year, I think, were mainly, of course, the regulations through the pandemic. It's a very international project. We have to adapt very dynamically to the challenges, to the changing rules.
So we made this hybrid concept where we had Russian coaches on the ground who were actually former participants, and we were teaching digitally.
And I think we actually managed to do that and create the same atmosphere at the camp, but this really happened by a great team effort, pulling together and really making this happen by really believing in the project in such a short time.
Это было немножечко грустно, потому что очень хотелось их увидеть и пощупать, кого-то обнять. Но я думаю, что такой формат может существовать, потому что я чувствую их энергетику даже через холодный экран.
There we go. Всем привет! It's so beautiful to hear you all those 4,292 kilometers from Yekaterinburg to Mannheim.
Теми же куклами дольше дня. Но ты особенная. Шучу, конечно, пойми одно. Мне нужно было только куролесить.
I think for projects like that, they kind of grow every year, and continuing such a program is so important because like the people from this year's camp will very much influence the participants from next year's camp.
And now you really see the benefit of this network because we're working with people that we've worked with over a long time. We're working with coaches that were former participants. And then you see how this network can work basically for itself. I think we wouldn't have been able to pull off such a hybrid concept if these were all new people. It's actually a continuation of this relationship that we've built.
Actually, I think the camp might have gained something from it, because I think they've gained an incredible level of confidence in teaching and coaching, which is something that we most likely are going to build on as well. But also for everybody else on the team, and maybe even the participants, they've realized they can do stuff on their own. But we're still there, and whenever they feel like they want to reach out to us, we were available. It's mind-blowing how well it went and how great the music is that has been written in those couple of days. So I think it's been a success, even though we had no idea what was going to happen 3 days in advance.
Какая-то аура, короче, я не знаю. Иногда техника просто бесится, когда я рядом.